Hi students, in definite integration, look at this problem. Integral minus 4 to 4 mod x plus 2 dx. Well, I can split this integration as minus 4 to 4 x plus 2 dx equal to minus 4 to minus 2 mod x plus 2 dx plus minus 2 to 4 mod x plus 2 dx. Clear? So how do we write that? Mod x plus 2 dx. What is the modulus definition here? Mod x plus 2 is equal to x plus 2 if x plus 2 is greater than or equal to 0. So x greater than or equal to minus 2 minus of x plus 2. When do we write that minus of x plus 2? If x plus 2 is less than 0. So x less than minus 2. So as per the modulus definition, minus 4 to minus 2 means x value less than minus 2. So x value less than minus 2 means what is the modulus x plus 2 value? Minus 4 to minus 2. So since it is x less than minus 2, we write minus of x plus 2 dx plus minus 2 to 4. Minus 2 to 4 means x value above minus 2. X value above minus 2 means what is the value here? X plus 2 dx. Okay. So write the integration now. Minus of x square by 2 plus 2x. Limits minus 2 minus 4 plus x square by 2 plus 2x. Limits 4 minus 2. Okay. Now minus of, put minus 2 here, 4 by 2 means 2 minus 2 2s are 4 minus of minus 4 square, minus 4 square, minus 4 square means 16 by 2, 8 minus 8 plus here 4 square 16 by 2, 8 plus 4 2s are 8. Okay. Minus of 4 by 2 is 2 minus 2 2s are 4. Simplify this. Minus 2, this will be 0. 16 minus of minus 2 plus 2. So 18 plus 2. How much? 20. So therefore integral minus 4 to 4 mod x plus 2 dx will be 20. That is the answer for the question. Clear? So as per the modulus definition, we have to carry on. What is the modulus definition? Mod x equal to x if x is positive is minus x if x is negative. Okay? Remember the definition. See the second question. Second question, integral minus 3 to 3. Integral minus 3 mod of x plus 1 dx. Now look at this. So what is the stationary point here? Minus 1. So how do we split this? Mod x plus 1 dx equal to integral minus 3 to, what is the stationary point? Minus 1 x plus 1 dx plus minus 1 to 3 mod x plus 1 dx. Okay. Now in these intervals, modulus x plus 1 value plus x plus 1 if x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 0, x greater than or equal to plus 1 will be minus 1. So minus of x plus 1 when do we take? If x plus 1 is less than 0, if x is less than minus 1. See, between minus 3 and minus 1, x value is less than minus 1. So modulus x plus 1 will be minus of x plus 1 dx plus this modulus of x plus 1 in minus 1 to 3, that value is above minus 1, so it will be positive x plus 1 dx. You look at that intervals, it will be easy for you. Minus of x square by 2 plus 1x, limits are minus 1 minus 3. Here x square by 2 plus x, limits 3 minus 1. Now minus of 1 by 2 minus 1 minus of 9 by 2 minus 3. Upper limit minus lower limit. 9 by 2 plus 3 minus of 1 by 2 minus 1. Okay. So this will be minus half. This is how much? 9 minus 6. 3 by 2. Plus 9 plus 6. 15 by 2 plus half. So this will be minus 4 by 2 means minus 2. This will be 16 by 2 means 8. 8 minus 2, 6. 8 minus 2, 6. Check once again. Nine minus 6, 3. Oh, sorry. Minus into minus plus 2, right? So 10. Therefore, integral minus 3 to 3 mod x plus 1 dx value 10. Here minus of minus 2, that will be plus 2. Okay? That is the end of solution. Next question please. Next question. Integral minus 1 to 1 mod 2x plus 1 dx. Integral minus 1 to 1 modulus 2x plus 1 dx. So what is the stationary point here? Minus 1 by 2. It is 2x plus 1. So minus 1 by 2 will be the stationary point. So how do we split our integration? So integral minus 1 to minus 1 by 2 mod 2x plus 1 dx plus integral minus 1 by 2 to 1 2x plus 1 dx as per stationary point. Now what is the modulus definition here? Mod 2x plus 1 will be plus 2x plus 1 if 2x plus 1 is positive. So 2x is greater than or equal to minus 1, x greater than or equal to minus 1 by 2. If x is more than minus 1 by 2, modulus 2x plus 1 will be 2x plus 1. So minus of 2x plus 1 when do we take? If 2x plus 1 is less than 0. 2x is less than minus 1. X is less than minus 1 by 2. So between minus 1 and minus 1 by 2, now it is less than minus 1 by 2. So we have to take minus of 2x plus 1 dx plus this is minus 1 by 2 to 1 will be 2x plus 1 dx. Clear? Now I will write the integration for this. Minus of 2 into x square by 2 means will be x square plus x minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Carefully write the limits here. x square plus x. What are the limits? 1 minus 1 by 2. Minus half minus of 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2, 1 minus 1. Okay, plus 1 plus 1 minus of 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. How much we will get here? LCM for 1 minus 2 plus 2, here also 4 LCM 1 minus 2. This will be minus 1 by 4 means plus 1 by 4 plus 2 minus 1 by 4 means plus 1 by 4. So 2 plus 1 by 4, 1 by 4 will be half. 2 plus half means 5 by 2. Therefore, integral minus 1 to 1 mod 2x plus 1 dx value 5 by 2. Okay? That is the answer. Look at the next one. Fourth question. Fourth question. Integral minus 2 to 2 mod 2x plus 3 dx. Okay? So what is the stationary point here? Integral minus 2 to 2 mod 2x plus 3 dx equal to, here minus 2 to, what is the stationary point? Minus 3 by 2, 2x plus 3 dx plus integral minus 3 by 2 to 2 mod 2x plus 3 dx. Now what is the definition for mod 2x plus 3? Mod 2x plus 3 will be 2x plus 3 if 2x plus 3 is positive or 0. 2x is greater than or equal to minus 3, x greater than or equal to minus 3 by 2. That will be minus of 2x plus 3 if 2x plus 3 is less than 0, 2x is less than minus 3, x less than minus 3 by 2. Now, so between minus 2 to minus 3 by 2, x is less than minus 3 by 2. So what is the modulus 2x plus 3 value? Minus of 2x plus 3 dx plus minus 3 by 2 to 2, this will be positive automatically. Now write integration will be x square plus 3x, limits are from minus 3 by 2 to minus 2, plus this will be x square plus 3x, limits are from 2 to minus 3 by 2. Okay? Now minus of 9 by 4 minus 9 by 2, right? Minus 9 by 2. Minus means 4 minus 6 plus here 2 square 4 plus 6 minus of 9 by 4 minus 9 by 2. Clear? What is the LCM here? 4. 9 minus 2 2s are 4 means 9 2s are 18 plus 2 plus 10. 4 LCM 9 minus 18 minus 9 by 4 means plus 9 by 4 minus 2 plus 10 minus 9 by 4 means plus 9 by 4. So 9 plus 9 18 by 4 means 9 by 2 plus 8. So 9 plus 16, 25 by 2. So therefore integral minus 2 to 2 mod 2x plus 3 dx value 25 by 2. That is the final answer. Okay? That is the end of solution. Fifth problem. Fifth question, see. Integral 0 to 3 mod 3x minus 1 dx. Integral 0 to 3 mod 3x minus 1 dx. Let us see this. What is the stationary point here? 3x minus 1 dx equal to, stationary point is 1 by 3. So 0 to 1 by 3 mod 3x minus 1 dx plus 1 by 3 to 3 mod 3x minus 1 dx. Now write the definition of mod 3x minus 1. Mod 3x minus 1 will be 3x minus 1. If 3x minus 1 is positive, 3x is greater than or equal to 1x greater than or equal to 1 by 3 will be minus 3x minus 1. If 3x minus 1 is less than 0, 3x is less than 1, x less than 1 by 3. So between 0 and 1 by 3, x value is less than 1 by 3. So 0 to 1 by 3, this will be minus of 3x minus 1 dx plus between 1 by 3 and 3, this will be positive. Okay. So minus of 3x square by 2 minus x 1 by 3 0 plus 3x square by 2 minus x 1 by 3. So substitute the values now. Here minus of, instead of x keep 1 by 3. So 3 by 2 into 1 by 9 minus 1 by 3 remaining 0 plus 3 by 2 into, instead of x 9 minus 3 minus of 3 by 2 into 1 by 9 minus 1 by 3. Okay. So minus of 3 ones, 3 threes, 1 by 6 minus 1 by 3. Here 9 threes, 27 by 2 minus 3. Here 3 ones, 3 threes cancel. 1 by 6 minus 1 by 3. Here LCM 6, 1 minus 2. Here 27 minus 6, 21 by 2. Here 6 LCM, 1 minus 2. So here minus 1 by 6 means plus 1 by 6. 21 by 2 minus 1 by 6 means plus 1 by 6. Okay. So 1 by 6, 1 by 6 is 2 by 6 means 1 by 3 plus 21 by 2. 2 plus 63 by 3 2s are 6. 65 by 6. Right. So therefore answer is, what is my answer? 65 by 6. Okay. I hope it is clear. We shall continue some more problems in the next class. Thank you.